Replacing outdated windows is one of the most practical upgrades for homeowners who want better comfort, lower utility bills, and a stronger resale position. Residential window replacement in Lafayette, Louisiana can improve insulation, reduce drafts, and create a more attractive exterior with minimal disruption when handled by licensed residential window installers. Lafayette, Louisiana. For many properties, especially older homes, the right window replacement services in Lafayette, Louisiana can also solve problems like condensation, fading interiors, uneven temperatures, and even coordination with replacement doors. Lafayette projects for a more cohesive exterior upgrade. If you are comparing residential window replacement cost Lafayette, Louisiana options, the smartest approach is to focus on long-term value, not just the lowest initial estimate. Knowing when to replace windows in an older house starts with recognizing the signs your home needs new windows. Persistent air leaks, wood rot, sticking sashes, rising energy bills, and visible damage often point to a clear need for home window frame replacement versus full replacement analysis. Window replacement for drafty rooms is especially important in humid Louisiana weather, where inefficient windows can make HVAC systems work harder. Homeowners searching for window replacement for drafty homes. Lafayette, Louisiana often discover that updated, energy-efficient residential windows. Lafayette, Louisiana create a more stable indoor environment and reduce hot and cold spots throughout the house. Choosing between vinyl versus fiberglass replacement windows depends on durability, budget, and appearance goals. Vinyl replacement windows in Lafayette, Louisiana are popular for their affordability and low-maintenance replacement windows for residential use, while fiberglass options often provide superior strength and dimensional stability. The best window replacement materials for homes are the ones that fit local climate demands and the home's architectural style. For custom residential windows Lafayette, Louisiana, older properties may benefit from custom-sized replacement windows for older homes that preserve original character while delivering modern performance. A licensed window replacement contractor for homes can explain which material best supports your insulation, maintenance, and curb appeal priorities. Energy performance should be a major factor in any residential window replacement cost guide. Energy-efficient window replacement options can include low-E glass, insulated frames, warm edge spacers, and advanced weather sealing that help improve insulation with new windows. Double-pane window replacement benefits include better temperature control, less condensation, and improved sound reduction, while triple-pane window replacement advantages can offer even greater thermal performance for homeowners seeking maximum efficiency. If your goal is window replacement for energy savings Lafayette, Louisiana, pairing high-performance glass with professional installation is one of the most effective ways to lower heat gain and reduce monthly cooling costs. Homeowners who want a quieter interior should look closely at noise-reducing replacement windows for houses. In busier parts of the city, including house window replacement near downtown Lafayette, Louisiana, sound control can be just as important as energy efficiency. Noise-reducing windows for homes in Lafayette, Louisiana can help buffer traffic, neighborhood activity, and weather-related noise while creating a more peaceful living space. Replacement windows for better indoor comfort often combine acoustic glass, tight seals, and proper framing to improve year-round livability. This is especially valuable in Lafayette Parish homes located near arterial roads, schools, or commercial areas. The visual impact of new windows should never be overlooked because best windows for home curb appeal can dramatically improve first impressions. Clean lines, balanced proportions, and frame colors that complement the exterior all contribute to stronger street presence. For homeowners considering residential window upgrade services Lafayette, Louisiana, selecting styles that match the architecture is essential, especially when updating replacement windows for older homes in Lafayette, Louisiana. Whether you are planning replacement windows for houses in Lafayette Parish or a project near the city center, modern window designs can refresh the exterior while maintaining the home's original character. Understanding how to choose replacement windows for home means comparing performance, style, warranty coverage, and installation quality. Homeowners should request several bids and learn how to compare window replacement quotes by evaluating materials, labor, energy ratings, and scope of work. Affordable window replacement. Lafayette, Louisiana does not always mean the cheapest product. It means finding the best combination of value, durability, and efficiency. The best window replacement company in Lafayette, Louisiana should provide clear pricing, dependable timelines, and practical recommendations based on your home's condition, not generic sales tactics. Local window contractors in Lafayette, Louisiana with proven experience can help you avoid costly mistakes. What to expect during residential window installation is a clean, organized process that typically starts with measurement, product ordering, and a detailed inspection of the opening conditions. Window replacement timeline for homeowners varies based on quantity, custom sizing, and whether the project requires full-frame window replacement. Lafayette, LA, or a simpler insert approach. Full-frame replacement is often the better solution when existing frames are damaged or out of square, while partial replacement can work when the structure is still sound. Homeowners seeking Lafayette, Louisiana replacement windows and installation services should ask about preparation, debris removal, trim work, and final inspections so the project proceeds smoothly from start to finish. Return on investment matters, and home window replacement ROI is often strong because upgraded windows can improve energy performance, aesthetics, and marketability at the same time. How residential window replacement improves home value depends on product quality, installation precision, and how well the new windows align with the home's style. Buyers notice modern, energy-efficient window replacement options, especially when paired with replacement doors, Lafayette, and other exterior improvements that create a cohesive look. For homeowners using window replacement financing for homeowners, the monthly payment can be offset by lower energy costs and better long-term durability, making the project easier to justify. Local homeowners looking for residential window installation and replacement. Lafayette should prioritize a contractor who understands the climate, the housing stock, and the common issues found in South Louisiana homes. Residential window replacement. Lafayette, LA, and window replacement services in Lafayette, Louisiana should address everything from storm-resistant replacement windows, Lafayette, Louisiana, to replacement windows for drafty rooms and low-maintenance frame materials. If you need double-pane window replacement, Lafayette, Louisiana, window replacement estimates in Lafayette, Louisiana, or a licensed residential window installers Lafayette, Louisiana team for a full project, choose a provider with local references, clear communication, and experience delivering home window replacement ROI in real-world conditions. Energy-efficient residential windows, Lafayette, Louisiana, are one of the fastest ways to reduce utility waste and improve year-round comfort in local homes. Homeowners comparing energy-efficient window replacement options should look for insulated frames, low-E glass, and tight weather seals that help improve insulation with new windows while reducing drafts and hot spots. For window replacement for energy savings, Lafayette, Louisiana, double-pane window replacement benefits are especially valuable, and triple-pane window replacement advantages can make sense for homes that need maximum thermal performance and noise reduction. Knowing when to replace windows in an older house starts with recognizing signs your home needs new windows, such as condensation between panes, warped frames, sticking sashes, and rising heating and cooling costs. If you are dealing with window replacement for drafty rooms or wondering how to improve insulation with new windows, a licensed residential window installers Lafayette, Louisiana team can assess whether home window frame replacement versus full replacement is the better option. Older properties in replacement windows for older homes in Lafayette, Louisiana often need custom-sized replacement windows for older homes to preserve the original fit and character. Residential window replacement cost. Lafayette, Louisiana depends on frame material, glass package, labor, and whether full-frame window replacement Lafayette, Louisiana is required. A residential window replacement cost guide should also account for installation complexity, especially in historic neighborhoods or near downtown Lafayette, Louisiana, where custom residential windows Lafayette, Louisiana may be necessary. Homeowners should compare how to compare window replacement quotes carefully, looking beyond the lowest price to evaluate warranties, energy ratings, and the experience of local window contractors in Lafayette, Louisiana. The best window replacement materials for homes usually come down to vinyl versus fiberglass replacement windows, with vinyl replacement windows in Lafayette, Louisiana often favored for affordability and low-maintenance replacement windows for residential use, while fiberglass offers strength and long-term stability. For homeowners focused on best windows for home curb appeal, modern frame profiles and clean sightlines can boost exterior appearance while also improving home window replacement ROI and overall property value. If you are choosing replacement windows for houses in Lafayette Parish, ask which materials perform best in South Louisiana humidity and heat. What to expect during residential window installation is a streamlined process when you hire a licensed window replacement contractor for homes with experience in Lafayette, Louisiana replacement windows and installation services. A quality crew will measure, remove old units, prepare openings, install new windows, seal gaps, and test operation efficiently, keeping the window replacement timeline for homeowners as short as possible. For added convenience, window replacement financing for homeowners can make affordable window replacement Lafayette, Louisiana more manageable without delaying needed upgrades. Storm-resistant replacement windows for homes are a smart investment in Acadiana, especially for properties exposed to heavy rain and wind. Homeowners searching for noise-reducing replacement windows for houses or noise-reducing windows for homes in Lafayette, Louisiana can also benefit from laminated glass and tighter seals that create better indoor comfort. Whether you need house window replacement near downtown Lafayette, Louisiana, residential window installation in replacement Lafayette, or replacement doors Lafayette, working with Lafayette, Louisiana home window installation experts helps ensure a durable result that supports curb appeal, efficiency, and long-term home value.